Hello everyone, welcome to Rakshak Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through what OpenVPN is, how it works, and guide you step by step on how to install and configure it on Windows 10 to set up a secure internet connection. I will also show you how to verify the installation. So let's get started. OpenVPN is an open source virtual private network system that ensures secure and encrypted communication between your device and a VPN server. It masks your real IP address to preventing websites, advertisers, and hackers from tracking you. Furthermore, it helps to prevent IP leaks. Let's take a closer look at this diagram to understand how OpenVPN works and why it is crucial for online privacy and security. So this is your device where OpenVPN is installed. Once you connect to OpenVPN, OpenVPN creates a secure encrypted VPN tunnel between your device to VPN server. This VPN tunnel ensures that all your internet traffic is encrypted, protecting it from hackers to spying you. As you can see, any adversary or attackers trying to spy on your connection will only see encrypted, unreadable data. Once your traffic reaches the VPN server, where it is decrypted and sent to the internet, this hides your real IP address and makes it appear as if you are browsing from the VPN server's location. Now, when you access websites or online services, they see the VPN server's IP instead of your actual IP address to maintaining your anonymity. This is how OpenVPN secures your connection, keeps your identity private, and helps you access the internet safely. In the next step, I will guide you through setting up OpenVPN on your device. Now we will download the OpenVPN installer from openvpn.net. I have mentioned this address in description. So simply click on community. Now click on download OpenVPN community edition button. Here you can see the OpenVPN latest version released on 15 Jan. So I'm going to download this installer. I'm using a Windows 64-bit system. So I'm downloading this 64-bit installer. Now installer is successfully downloaded to the system. Now we will install this installer to our system. Simply double click on this installer. Install now. Click on yes. Click on close. See this message. It is showing no readable connection profiles config files found. Use the import file menu or copy your config files to this location. So this is saying like you have to configure config file to connect to OpenVPN servers. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind. If you are using OpenVPN for your official purpose, so your company will typically provide you with an OpenVPN configuration file. But if you are using this OpenVPN for your personal use, you have the option to choose between free and paid OpenVPN config files from various providers such as VPNBook, freevpn.me, and Windscribe Free. In this video, I am going to use VPNBook VPN config file. However, it is important to be cautious when using third-party OpenVPN config files because they can pose privacy risk such as logging your data or improperly securing DNS queries, which could expose your real IP. Some services may route your traffic through malicious servers or fail to implement in strong encryption to leading potential leaks. So always check the reliability and security measures of the provider before using their config files. To download VPNBook config file, simply access this vpnbook.com address. I have mentioned this address as well in description. So click on free VPN. Now here you can see different countries config files. I am going to use US 16 OpenVPN config file bundle. I'm simply click on this bundle, save. Here you can see username and password. So this username and password required when you connect to OpenVPN. Let's configure this config file to OpenVPN. Extract files. So here different protocol TCP and UDP protocol config file is there. Now I'm going to config this config file on my OpenVPN. So simply right click on this OpenVPN icon, click on import and click on import file. So this is asking where your config file is there. So my config file is in download folder. I'm using this TCP/443 config file. Click on open. So this VPNBook config file is successfully imported to OpenVPN. Now to connect on OpenVPN server, right click on OpenVPN icon, click on connect, enter password. So password is I'm using this username and password to connect OpenVPN server. Click on yes. Now we have successfully connected to OpenVPN server and IP address is assigned to our system. You can also see this OpenVPN icon is color changed to green. So it is showing like we have successfully connected to OpenVPN server. Now we will check is we have successfully connected to OpenVPN or not. So here we have downloaded the US config file and we have connected to OpenVPN and our current location is showing from United States and IP address is also showing from there. So now we have successfully connected to United States VPN servers. So that's it. You have successfully installed, configured and verified OpenVPN on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tech and tutorials. Thanks for watching.